Dude, I feel like auto parts stores should just sell bulk sizes of 10 millimeters. Just like a whole fucking...
Just keep a stock full, like a basket.
Just like a bulk fucking bag of like 20 for $200. I'll buy it.
200, that's kind of a lot of money.
For $10?
I'm thinking right when you check out, like at the cash register, the cashier, you ever go to CVS and they have those like candies there and they're like 3 for like 99 cents?
Yeah.
Get like 2 for like $10 deal.
So Chinese 10 millimeters are like 10.2, 10.5.
And they snap and fucking, they round off on the bolt. The bolt doesn't round off, the socket does.
They're made with some cheap material that they just weld. They weld in and just strip.
It's just aluminum chiseled.
I'd be so pissed. I would have to kill someone. Alright, so today we are installing...
We're dropping.
I dropped that on purpose, you know, clutch. We are putting on the valve cover, and it looks like through party's discretion, I'm taking off the air intake. I forgot I bought stuff here. Leave me alone. Matthew. Matthew earlier. I said, who's Matthew?
No, I heard nephew.
I heard Matthew.
I heard nephew.
I could have sworn I heard Matthew. I was like, whoa. I'm not going
What, you rebuilding the engine?
again. Yeah. Go raggedy Lucy.
You might.
Again. I went raggedy Lucy yesterday. That was fun. Got saved by the gentleman up there. Here. Over here. What should I be working with?
Because that right there, you could easily just... But this right here, once you get down to it, you'll know, okay, quarter turn and I'm good. What? Put it back in there. Just bend it. There you go. You feel that? Okay. Now you're getting towards the final torque. So when you took them out, were they all the way down?
What, the gasket?
Were they down flat? Because you might have to go back in and torque them up again.
Oh, that whole loosen and retorque.
No. After you get the engine warm, you might have to tighten these up some more. But that shouldn't be a problem because they're on the top. Man, you gotta get ready. This is gonna be a transformation when you put that pretty intake on. Oh man, it's gonna be awesome. It's about
It's my same face I had yesterday when I had to deal with a niggerish alcoholic. But not bloodlust.
Okay, here comes Slowpoke Gonzalez.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the dude from Advance. Dude is that nigga was something else.
No, Slowpoke Gonzalez is the opposite of Speedy Gonzalez.
Yeah, that's everyone at the...
He's a slow.
Speedy!
Yeah, see?
Speedy!
You know who I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
Marita, Speedy!
It's everyone at the Advance Auto on Island Pond Road. It's just slow as fuck. It's like ran by 65-year-old Hispanic dudes that just don't give a shit about nothing. It's fucking awful. Dude literally was like, oh yeah, I need a part. Wait, need the part for what car? Type the car in. What part did you need? It's like, I just said it. He's like, say it again. So he said it again. He's like, what car now? I was like, are you fucking kidding?
Oh my God, yeah.
I literally just put whatever I had on my hand back on the fucking rack and just left. And then I drove to fucking O'Reilly's. That was like 10 minutes down the road. Oh.
Do you know what torque that need to be torqued down to, or what spec?
Unga Dungas, bro.
Like a Douglas.
Unga
Okay, yeah.
At least like you
That's
know,
safe.
safest thing ever. I am going to slide this back. You might just pop in that one fucker right there.
Huh?
This one right here. Might take that off once I slide the intake back.
Yeah, sure. Do I just pull it out, or?
Yeah. Of course, you tighten that shit up. I gotta go back and take all these fucking sensors off. After it took me 30 years to figure out where the fuck they go. Are you hanging? Yes, I just got ground bolt. Oh, that's the ugliest fucking slot location. Woo! Actually, come on now. I got these tiny ass hand people. It's got a nice little rectal exam there. Sitting on that.
Quick little prostate exam. Never hurt anyone.
I don't know who you're talking to, but yeah, that's hurt everyone. Yeah.
There we go. Now you can access it a lot easier.
Still doesn't want to come out. Dude, are you fucking serious? Fucking old ass pin connectors, dude. There we go. Alright, so
Approximately 10 hours later.
10 millimeter. That's somewhere, of course. What the fuck happened to the one I just had? I had it on the end of something, right?
You think so?
What was I using?
The little screwy fucking ratchet.
Oh yeah, it's right here.
There you go.
Just fucking had it. Just disappeared. From PlayStation 1 graphics. Dude, make sure you credit yourselves in the video.
Yeah, I will.
This fucking nigger shot up here it is.
This is the trap house, ain't it?
It's the trap house. Yeah. Huh? Nah.
You know he coming back?
Huh?
You know he coming back?
No, he took Tim somewhere. I don't know where.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah. Alright, that goes back in. Yeah, I think there's that one plug I can't get to because I'm a special boy. Oh, okay, shit, that's where that went.
Or you're missing something and just found it?
Yeah, I was trying to figure out where the fuck this plug went because I aimed it in the dumbass location. That's why it was supposed to go up and around and then boop.
Okay.
But that's all coming off now anyway, so.
And she's off for the second time.
Third
Third
fucking time.
Oh boy.
Dude. And I'm taking the wire harness back out again. Like, jeez.
Oh, you take everything off of that and then we're like, fuck it, we gotta go back
I
on.
fed the fucking wire harness in the middle of everything.
Nice one.
Snap right back the fuck out. Which is the fun part.
Fun, in parentheses, or quotation marks.
Yeah, no. kind of want to, you know, get ready for this summer life events. Thinking about doing a high car, low car with the S chassis as well. I got a friend that has a SC400 with the 1UZ V8. So we're trying to see. I'm basically high end. I got a fucking import.
Yeah.
With
And she has some pretty fucking
I got a pretty dang
high end parts.
account, dude.
So.
He has a 1UZ, and you know he's going low end. I think he bought the car for like a rack. I mean, I'm not gonna say how much I spent on my car. Got some bitches out there. Tax people might be watching me getting ready to fucking get the audit going. Alright, so first set of chords. Push your car energy out.
There we go.
Just pop the little BS little tabs off later. Gotta pop that off. Just need to
Your ears still work? What ear? Yeah, your ears. Tell me if you hear the fuel injector actuating. It'll sound like tick. If I clear out the code and it starts working again, it's gonna be the computer and not the injector. Under the back.
sound like she needs a link. ECU would sponsor me. It'll be funny that one chance one dude's watching. He's like, I got you. That's what I'm hoping.
You get an email.
We got you, bro.
So we saw this 3-second clip.
We saw this video. They happen to have 2 views, including me. You know, I actually worked for Link. We got you. Dirty screws back on a nice painted coil of
Cover.
covers. Here you go. That's how we do things out here. Absolutely just torturing projects. But you know, at this point, I just don't care. I'm not gonna pop put it all. What's underneath there? It's fucking 1K. Can I see it? No, suck a dick, bro.
What's under there? An engine.
Something, gas, sparks, choo-choo.
Makes boom.
Makes booming in my engine. Causes fire sometimes, you know. The usual. Oh, wow. That's magic. I left a little rubber thing on there and it stayed on there.
Gotta tighten in the correct way.
Somewhat.
Hey, if it's on, it's on.
That's how I feel.
Sheesh. You wanted the eBay intake manifold, but you didn't want the eBay turbo manifold.
No, yeah, no crack warranty.
$400 special. Weld straight penetrate through the entire thing. You put it on, you tighten it, and the whole thing cracks.
Nephew, what we gonna eat at?
I already ate, nigga.
Well, I gotta be a nigga.
Everyone's a
I gotta
nigga.
go on
Everyone's a nigga.
here.
I am.
No discrimination. Everyone
You
gets
sound
called
like
that.
Auntie Pre.
He's a
Down
nigga
south.
too.
Huh?
He's a nigga too. Everyone's
You
a
sound
nigga.
like Aunt Pre. Every time I call Cheryl and Pre, what up, nigga? Like, dang, y'all just use that word so loosely.
I hope you don't feel bad, man, but my thing about niggas is the wet niggas are the worst ones.
See, he's
Oh.
Asian, luckily.
Listen,
He's
I was-
Asian.
listen.
I was
yeah,
watching-
yeah, okay, no.
I was watching Dave Chappelle when he was the black dude thought he was white supremacist.
Yeah.
Like, white power!
Oh yeah, that
yeah, what?
that's good.
I was watching that skit again and nearly fell out. That had me. Oh, did you see the dude? I gotta send you that YouTube thing, man.
Which one?
When the dude come out the room, he just moved his wife in the house with him. And he come out the room, all he sees the back of her head, she cooking breakfast like, oh, baby, I'm glad I moved you in. I'm glad this and that. And she turned around, he like, who the hell are you?
Oh, the GTA thing?
Huh?
The Grand Theft Auto thing?
Is it the Grand Theft Auto? I'm not sure. He's like, I don't know
And then
you.
his friend came over and he was just like,
Yeah, he beat him up.
He's like, yo, put it on your faces. I don't care.
Put on your faces. I nearly died. Don't be talking about my ugly, beautiful bitch. I nearly died. That thing had me dying. That thing had me rolling.
Interesting.
Beautiful ugly sweet baby.
Yeah, probably not.
Okay.
This one too.
Found her yet. But she ain't gonna be ugly, I'll tell you that.
Okay.
She ain't gonna be ugly.
Oh well.
Oh, yeah, that's pissy. So fine.
It's gonna be like that in all the ones close to the weld. Including this one, I think.
I just put one on there and check.
Yeah.
Wow. You can't even put one on this one, dude.
It's that, like, huh?
So, in order for me to get one on that one, I'm literally gonna have to loosen it. Alright. Yay. Wow. Pay $1,800 for it. $1,500 for a turbo manifold. I got played.
This is why I don't do this kind of work on my own cars, because it just leaves me wanting to punch holes in my walls,
It just doesn't make any sense how to spend this much fucking money.
and they can't
Do anything.
can't grind any of the welds down even to the tad bit, or test fit the studs and the bolts. Check this out.
On this manifold.
Why?
Almost.
You could probably grind them down, but still, it's like that on 3 underneath
It's
too.
there. It's gonna hit there, and I can't even get this one on.
Just grind the bolt down.
No, you see, come here.
Oh, you mean the weld?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can grind the weld down a little bit, maybe.
But
Yeah.
feel this one right here. Feel that middle one.
I'm looking at it. I don't have to feel it.
It's right up against it.
Yeah, I feel like for the price you paid, they should have just been able to do that themselves. Like,
I should have been able to just bolt the thing.
yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of sketched out about that, but I mean, you could probably take off a decent bit of material without really messing with the structural integrity of it.
Top price with a
Like, literally, I have to grind the weld down to like perfectly flat and not go in.
Yeah,
So if you fix the
and not touch the wall of the tubing.
Yeah. And for me to spend this much money and have to even think about that.
Yeah, I mean, if you paid $500 for it, that'd be like,
If it
whatever.
was a CX turbo kit,
Yeah.
which probably fits better than this.
Huh?
I don't know. Right now. Like, bro, it's just-
Mhm.
I know you got one just sitting around.
Yeah, I guess just mark where you need to grind them.
Alright guys, we are done with today's stuff. It's week 3 in our build. And right now, I gotta say, if you want to do this build, don't buy a Honda Civic. Be happy. You know,
Have something reliable and small.
existence is pain right now. This is just all painful. I spent all this money on this beautiful looking. I mean,
It looks nice.
it's beautiful,
It looks nice if you just don't go under here.
but it doesn't even fit. I don't even want to go into it.
Hey, at least for the most part, you got this figured out, except for you just gotta grind down the
Yeah.
things a little bit. But
It just doesn't make any sense how this eBay manifold works better than, you know, a professionally welded manifold.
hopefully get that resolved one way or another.
Oh yeah, it's gonna get resolved. They might try to pull some BS because I bought it such a long time ago. But I have a why it went expensive. I got a 5-year no crack warranty.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna finagle the warranty if they don't try to give it to me.
Throw some on the ground.
Exactly. I'll crack.
Guys, look what you did. You owe me a new one.
Well, all in all, guys, thanks for watching my video. We are going to hopefully have this turbo on in the engine. The next big video you see, I will constantly try to post updates. Follow me on Instagram and Is That a Supra? On Instagram, YouTube, it is RHD's Specialties. Give it a watch, man. This is Devin Mott. Goodbye.